Okay, getting started with your gimbal. I'm gonna start by showing you what you can do without using the gimbal app. So you want to make sure you download it's called DJI Mimo or Mimo app. But I'm gonna show you what you can do without the app. It's really similar to what you will be able to do with your gimbal when you go live on Facebook and Instagram. Because when you go live on Facebook and Instagram, you cannot use the gimbal app. So there's lots of features like tracking and so on that you will not be able to use in a live video recording. That being said, there's lots you can do just with the gimbal. And keep in mind that the gimbal is a stabilizer, and this is where it shines because it allows you to move around and have a really smooth video. And with or without active tracking, it does give you a way smoother feel to your videos than just a normal tripod. So just for that, it's worth it. See how I move around and my camera kind of like I can move my arm like this and it follows, it gives a really smooth feel. So let's get started. First things first. See, I'm gonna turn it off. So when you have your gimbal off, it's gonna be folded like this. This is the Osmo 3. You want to put your phone in the gimbal. You will see here it says put your camera this way. Where is your camera? The camera is that little hole that you have, and I have it over here. I always put a sticker so I know where to look at, because when you're filming you want to look at that sticker, otherwise you're going to look at the screen and your eyes are going to look sideways on video. So you adjust here, it's going to say put your camera this way. So this is what you do. You put your camera this way, you flip it up. So, and then it's all looking funky, so don't try to adjust it endlessly like this. Just wait to turn it on first. So there's different things that you will see on your gimbal, okay? You have this button here that's like your shutter button. This is your M button. This is referred as the joystick. This over here is your zoom. This only works with the app. So this is the zoom. You have your little thingy here to charge it. And this is called the trigger, like a trigger. Okay, so this is how this all starts. So what I've done now is I've turned it on. I'm going to turn it on by pressing the M button. So I press the M button. And look how cool this is. It balances the Osmo, right? So now it's balanced. So what can you do? I have turned my camera on. I'm in camera mode on my phone, and I've put it into video, okay? Like I would start and stop a video like this. What this button here, this red button, without using the app, is it allows you to start and stop. See, it starts and stop. So you can start and stop a video just holding the gizmo like this, so I can be looking at it like that and then start, stop, and so on, okay? Now, this is one of the things you can do without the app. You can start and stop using your shutter button. You can use the joystick, which is this here, to adjust the phone. So see how I can put it up and down? So try not to use your hand to move things and use this. Then the other thing, you cannot use the zoom, but the other thing you can do is you can press the M button twice, and I have a cheat sheet on that I've created to help me because I couldn't remember it all and to help you. So go to catherineair.ca or go to the link on the blog and download it. It's the best cheat sheet ever. I'm actually following it now. So the M button here, you press 2 times and it's going to switch from landscape to portrait. This is something you want to do before you start recording usually, right? You don't want to do it midway, and on live recording you're not allowed to do it. It won't let you do it. So yeah, so you pick that by pressing twice. What you can do is press 3 times to put it on standby mode if you want to say delete a video. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 and you're going to see what it does. 1, 2, 3. And then I can close it and actually work on my phone if I need to delete stuff and so on. If I want to start using it again, pop it up, 1, 2, 3, and it brings it back. So what you want to remember is the little M button at the bottom twice, puts it there, and then 1, 2, 3 puts it in standby. The other thing you can do without the app is use the trigger. So the trigger, what you can do without the app is if you press twice, it's going to rebalance your Osmo. So it just straighten things up. Okay. All the rest you'll have to do manually. So there's still quite a bit you can do without the app, but where the magic happens with this gimbal is with the DJI app, and I will guide you to it in the next video.